welcome to Hollinger Engineering. My name is Lee Nash, I'm one of the directors here, and today we're just going over some of our products and our technical partnership with Motul. Hollinger Engineering have been going for close to 40 years now. We've been in the motorsport industry the whole time. Basically, we're specialised in transmissions and driveline components. We've been supplying Australian Racing Series for, basically as long as we've been in existence. So originally Group A touring cars, became V8 supercars. We're involved in the Australian Rally Championship, Australian Safari. Globally, we've been involved in all forms of motorsport, from Paris-Dakar through to post-peak cars and race milling. In Japan and Asia, most of the D1 guys run our stuff. In a lot of sports car racing, from Porsches, Aston Martins and Lamborghinis in Europe through to Corvettes and Camaros and Mustangs in the States. Nowadays we pretty well manufacture everything in-house with state-of-the-art equipment. Like to keep it that way, so we've got control over everything. We start with the raw materials. It's something we get manufactured in Germany to our specification. It's a vacuum arc remelted steel, similar to what you'd find in aircraft. We've got our own quality assurance system, so we can keep track of everything from what bar of steel that a gear was made out of to what heat treatment batch a bearing went through. When we got approached from Motul to form a technical partnership, it was actually a pretty easy decision. We already had customers here using it, and then we also had our European and American agents using it, all to good effect. And one of the biggest bonuses is what you get in Australia is the same products you get all over the world. So we're happy to recommend it. Currently, we stock is in excess of 5,000 components that we manufacture. Our actual product range would probably be, if you included all the variations of gearboxes and that sort of stuff, probably close to 100 different options as far as inline boxes, transaxle boxes, differentials. So, the new transaxle. It's basically designed to be universal. We can mount it in a variety of different ways, either cram wheel above the crankshaft or below the crankshaft. Input from either end, so we can put it in a Corvette or a Porsche. You can pretty well customise it to anything you want. Obviously they're in competition cars. Everybody wants to push the limit. So everybody wants it to be as light as possible, but also be strong basically and not wear out or not break. Our collaboration with Motul means we can basically supply a gearbox and lubricants. Sometimes they outsurpass even our own expectations. Hollinger Engineering. Designed, developed, manufactured, assembled and serviced in Australia.